second guest for you, an absolute genius on the drums, which is Henry, and then over here we have Hugo, absolute legend. Alright, so counting. And there's lots of different ways to do this, but first things first, I think if we do a little drawing for you, and then we're going to have a little guest appearance on the drum kit as well after that. So we start with the number 1, and then we go 2. Now, who knows what comes next? Yes?
3.
Very good. And then what number comes after that?
4.
Very good, really good. And the final one, shout out?
5.
There you go, lovely. Okay, now, that's an easier one. But now if we go a little bit bigger, okay. Now let's go in 10. All right, so 10, what comes next?
20.
Very good. Now, what comes next after that? Very good, and then the final one?
40.
Yeah, well done, really good. All right, now we're gonna have a bit of a guest appearance here by Henry on the drum kit, and then Hugo is gonna count how many hits we've just done. See if you can do that at home as well. Go for it, guys.
7.
Really good. All right, now let's make it a bit harder. Let's go up in 10. So every hit equals 10. Let's go, Hugo, come on.
120.
Yeah, well done. Thank you very much for watching another maths tutorial here. Let's see you at the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.